In front of me is Motorola Moto E15, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. You need to begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use the switcher at the top right corner to activate it and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Finally, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, hold it, tap on pin icon, and to unpin it, do exactly the same. To get rid of it, hold it as well, but this time choose delete icon here. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!